Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I'm going to do a quick tip real quick. I have a jelly plate and you can see I just put some green on it to get started so I wasn't spending forever. Now I'm going to give you a couple tips. I use a cheap sponge brush. You can get these very cheap and that's what I will spread my paint out with. If you don't have a roly-poly, if you have a roly-poly, use your roly-poly. Also, if you have embossing dies, you can see I have these. These are from Nicole, which was AC Moore, I believe, but you can get these all over. And you might even have some at home. All you do is set them down. And I didn't take them off individually right now because I just wanted to do this real quick. Okay, now I'm going to push this down. And look at that. Really, really cool, right? So then you can, of course, you can layer, and I know I have a lot of dyes, but you can go back on and add, let's do just a little bit of pink. Let's see if we can get, are we going to do a little pink? See, this is where I get to be 6 million hours because I'm cheap. And instead of just getting a new paint, I'm like, oh, I'll just save these for when I jelly print. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to lightly rub it like this. And it's going to be a little darker, but what I'm going to do is see if we can get another print over this side. But in the meantime, I will print it here. And I'm just pressing it down. You don't want to press too much or slide it because it will slide, but give it a press. Lift up. You see that? We could put it on here and get just little bits of print there. But let's see what we get now real quick. And then we'll be on our way. Okay. Fibro RA hands don't want to work today. I'm going to push it real good. Lift it up. Now I got nothing over on this side where I had it, but I do have an impression from over on this side. So you can't really get too much of an impression. Again, a second impression, but who cares? Like getting that first one's good. Yeah, I'm just going to take the rest off. And then we'll wait. This will dry and I'll do layers on top. And we have these cute little cards. Because I'm going to be making journals and I want to have some things. But that's a great little tip. Use your sponge brush. Use a paint bottle that's pretty full, unless you want to, turn them upside down before you get started, which I should have done. And use your die cuts. I'm going to be using them today. I'll be doing a video later playing around with my jelly plate, but I wanted to give you this quick little tip. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.